Welcome to day 9 of a movement a day Qigong. And today we're going to oil the joints, a little silk reeling. We'll start with our hands, but let's just start with a little massage on the hands. So we're just starting at the base of each finger or thumb and going down towards the end. It's very important to keep all the joints lubricated. As for hands, I remember when I was in massage school, the instructor talked about how a woman came in with her hands like this, and she thought she had arthritis. And he kind of looked at them and said, maybe. And he did this, he loosened up all those tendons and ligaments, and she could open her hands. So the thing with hands is that if you don't move them in their full range of motion, they stop moving in their full range of motion. So one of the important parts of Qigong, which is a longevity practice, is to keep the joints oiled, and it's called silk reeling. So here we're working on the wrists, just going together. Let's do a little stretch for the fingers. Very good, stretch again. And then the wrist itself, pull it down, and just shake it out. Shake out the hands and the fingers. And then we can do a little something like this. So just rotating the elbows and the wrists and the fingers. Let's come back towards us. Simple movements, but you just have to keep doing them to keep everything lubricated. Now we're going to move the elbow by itself. I like to put my hand on it to give it a little bit more love. So we're just rotating the elbow and back towards us, other direction. Sometimes it can feel a little different. Other elbow. And back towards us. And now let's do the shoulders. We'll take one foot in front of us. We'll just loosen up that shoulder and then pull it up towards the ear and back and around. Back and around. So yeah, this kind of movement will prevent arthritis by keeping the joints moving and lubricated. Keep your full range of motion from not getting stagnant, and it releases that stagnant energy that's held when something hasn't been moved. The tension, releasing the tension, you might feel that with the shoulder up to the ear, back down again. Slow motion. The slow motion really helps the body remember how it's supposed to be moving. And let's go the opposite direction. A couple times. Forward and down. Slightly different feel. One more time, and then we'll switch sides. Shake that. Shake that. Shoulder out and pull up to the ear. Full range of motion, back and down. Up to the ear, full range of motion, back and down. Nice stretch. Get the body moving, releasing any stagnant energy. Slow, deep breathing in through the belly and out through the belly. Go one more time back, and then we'll reverse the direction, coming forward with it. Going forward with it. Yeah. Nice deep breath. Notice how your body's feeling. Congratulate yourself once again for doing something wonderful for your body. And I'll see you back here tomorrow for Qigong, a movement a day, and we're going to be at day 10. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow.